This is a guide on replacing a screen on a Lenovo ThinkPad E15 laptop. To begin, turn off the laptop and disconnect the power cord. The first step is to remove the bezel. Insert the plastic pick between the bezel and the LCD from the inner side. Move it along the perimeter. Close the laptop and insert a plastic pick between the bezel and the back cover. Move it along the bottom edge. Move the plastic pick along the bottom edge of the screen and the hinge cover. Remove the bezel. Remove remaining strands of glue from the bezel. The screen is held in place with two adhesive strips on the sides. Using tweezers, pick up the loose tab on the right side and pull out the adhesive strip. Pull out the adhesive strip on the left side. Place the screen on the keyboard. Peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard. Reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket. Secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any connectors. Also, make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Now we can test the screen. Lift the screen up and lean it against the back cover. Reconnect the power cord and turn the laptop on. The screen is working and we can finish the installation process. Place the screen back on the keyboard. We're going to use a set of adhesive strips to reattach the screen to the back cover. You can buy a set of adhesive strips on our site, LaptopScreen.com. Use alcohol and a piece of cloth to clean the sides of the screen. Apply adhesive strips. Peel off the protective film. Lift the screen up and apply some pressure. Using tweezers, tuck the adhesive pads in so they don't get in the way of the bezel. Remove the protective film from the LCD. Open the laptop wide and insert the bezel in the bottom of the screen. Go around the perimeter, snapping bezel back in place. Close the laptop and make sure that the bezel is snapped in at the bottom. Reconnect the power cord, turn the laptop on, and we're done.